Good morning, everybody. So today, obviously, you can see it's a brand new day, blue skies and all. So I'm just waiting for the water filter guy just to come by and drop some new water bowls just for the water filters for me house. So he's just arrived, he's just leaving it there, but I'm just at his car just giving the empty bottles back and just paying him. So that's what we're doing so far. We're hungry, so as you can see, I'm pretty hungry. So learnt my lesson, got some canned food all up and stocked so that we can have some quick easy meals on the go. Here we are once again, another fucking blackout. Oh my god, I just came outside just to have a durry and the fucking power just went out again. You can hear babies crying because they're scared of the dark. Can you hear that? There's some neighbours trying to get some Christmas lights up over there to try and make some lighting. I don't know if that's going to work or anything. Probably don't have any. They probably don't have any like candles or anything. Even the animals are going crazy. The dogs are barking like crazy. And the sirens are non-stop. I swear, I don't care what anyone says, but our people are such hard workers. This girl works at the Burger Bill fast food joint, and look at her doing outside work. They should teach this to the stupid kids in the other countries that want to act like stupid fool.
Sorry about the wait.
Thank
Y'all
you.
have a wonderful
Thank you.
Customer has been left totally shocked after witnessing a manager use a heat lamp designed for food to dry a mop head. Aussies were quick to express their disgust at the move, with one calling it the most brainless thing I've seen this year.
And instead, just send them outside and do some of this type of shit so they're not in that bloody mess with social media, acting like they're entitled. Anyways, I just went home, had to start folding on my washing because it's been raining. I don't know if you guys have been seeing in my other vlogs that you should have watched before this one, because if you haven't, then your capital B for boring. But anyways, yeah, I need to fold all my washing because I had heaps of washing I did on, I think, the day before. Yeah, because that was the only day that it was kind of sunny for pretty much the whole day. So yeah, I just had to like remind myself that I get up and fold your washing because it's not going to fold itself way low. So I had to mop my balcony. I've been meaning to do it for a while now, but just been so like drained out, and also because the weather's been shit, and today the weather's been good, so that's why I thought I'll just do it because it's a kind of like a sunny day, and that the floor would dry up pretty quick. So I just thought, okay, better go boil my water, get my cleaning products out, start doing it, get it out of the way, and then just relax after that. But yeah, it was so like, it's the outside balcony of our house, so it's pretty much the same with everywhere in Samoa, but because everywhere gets very dusty, so just kind of cleaning that, like mopping it and then hosing it down, it took like me at least about 45 minutes because I'd like to do it properly, you know. I wanted to make sure everything was cleaned properly, and because if you don't do it properly, then what's the point? If I'm not gonna do a good thing and do mepepelo, then might as well just not do it at all. So yeah, see, I was like sweating my back, about to break my back, bending over, getting all those little corners, trying to make sure everything is sparkling clean. Hello everybody. So done me mopping. I really clean outside properly and did all the cleaning and the mopping. So now I have to get ready to go pick up my cousin and her man, Mr. Cowboy and his Mrs. Cowgirl, because they come back to Samoa today. And like she's like, I got my other cousins here too in Samoa, but she's the only one that's close in age with me, so we're pretty close. And yeah, I've missed her. She's been gone for 2 weeks, for too long, and can't wait to see her. And yeah, I'm just gonna go pick her up from the airport and then just come home and chill. Yeah, let's go. Man, when I got to the airport, it was packed jam. I couldn't even find a parking spot. I nearly had a fight with someone that was trying to steal my parking spot when I was waiting for a car to leave. And then this bloody lame-ass person was trying to just take over, and I was like, no, excuse me. It's so funny because when I just parked my car in, like as if I didn't see her try to take my spot. And then she looked at me when I got out of the car walking to the airport, and she's like, I was waiting for that spot. And I was like, too bad. But anyways, my cousin is here. Hi, cousin. So anyways, I went and brought the car around because they had a few pieces of luggage, and I was going to Sam. Mr. Cowboy was like, are you driving? Yes, you can drive. And I just gave him the key. So we're just on our way home. They're filling me in about their amazing trip to Japan. Okay. I was so jealous at all their stories. But he's waiting for Sam to come back.
They're back now. My own now.
Oh, thank you, Sam, for coming back.
So second is returning gift.
Man, they seem so refreshed and just like, when people have like a break, when they come back from vacation, they look so refreshed and then ready to get back into it, like their busy lifestyle. Yeah, so we just got home to their house, just unloading the car, getting all their luggage pieces out. But they were telling me that they got like, I think 2 extra pieces of luggage when they were in Japan. They were just going hard, like shopping and getting things that they need. And obviously Japan had a lot of things that even Australia might not have. So they had like the time of their lives, like buying things that they would like and getting things for the kids. And then my cute cousin was like, have you had lunch? And I was like, no. She's like, let's go to lunch. So then we went out to this cafe. It's in Vaikele. It's called Coffee House. I've been here a few times with my cousin because me and her, like, she's always like saying to me, like, let's go out to eat, we'll go here and there. So she's introduced me to a lot of places, like a lot of dining places that I've never even tried before. So it's been so cool. So I'm so glad I'm doing vlogs now, so that if she takes me somewhere that I haven't been as well, I can record it as a reaction and obviously react to the food. And then you guys that want to come to travel to Samoa can see as well and be like, oh wow, that might be a good place to go and eat. I'm gonna go there because Jonah was there and he said it was amazing. Yay. And they have Vaiki Polo. So honestly, if you haven't tried Vaiki Polo in Samoa, that is the drink to get when you come here because it's so fresh and refreshing and you'll love it. So I got the chicken schnitzel with chips and salad, and my cousin, she really was craving oka. She loves her oka from the islands because no one else makes it as good as Samoa does. So I always order the chicken schnitzel from this place because it's so yum. I love the way they do their chicken. So that's why I ordered the same thing I usually get. I know I should get something else so I can be like, broaden my horizon with different types of foods and that. But I mean, you'll see at the end of the video that I never finish my food anyway. So it's a part of, gastric slave lifestyle. You just never finish your bloody food. But today, because in this vlog it shows that I had a sandwich, a tuna sandwich with lettuce and mayo, but that was from yesterday. So today I had nothing. I didn't eat anything at all, so that's why I was makwa hungry. So hungry. I was gonna just eat everything on the plate, but obviously, my eyes were being too big for my stomach. So I ate what I could. But yeah, me and my cousin were just gasbagging more about life, about her trip, about upcoming events. And then my cousin went home. I came home with my leftovers, so that was what I had left over. And you know what I did? Put it in the bloody microwave. Hello guys. So I'm home. And pretty much, yeah, I'm gonna just have those leftovers for dinner if I get hungry. But I'm not really hungry right now, so yeah, just gonna chill back. I hope you enjoyed me vlog for today. And yeah, that's me life. But honestly, it was such a good day today. I felt like it was very yeah, I did a lot. And yeah, it was so good to have my cousin back. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the vlog and follow me, like me, and comment me. So be bloody boring and sit there and just watch and then forget about me because you already know that I am unforgettable. See you in the next video, love.